Alright, hello guys, back again with another Dremel kit review. This is the Easy Lock cutting kit. So has 11 pieces, good for PVC, metal, stone. Alright, so welcome to the channel. David here, Cleve's Backyard Woodworking. So let's open this guy up. If you've seen one of my past videos, I did one of these Easy Lock cutting wheels with the diamond. It was like a diamond wheel with the Easy Lock. So if you would like to see that video with some other burrs that it came with and collets, I can leave a link in the description below. And also if you missed the last video on the carving and engraving bits with the grinding stones, I'll leave that link in the description below as well. So thanks for tuning in. Let's get this guy opened. Alright. So it says we have 11 pieces here. Alright. Ah, look, we got some extra bonus ones. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this collet with the Easy Lock will be the 11 pieces. So that's pretty nice. So let's see what kind of wheels there are here. So these are 1.5 inches, and this is thin cut. Pretty good, thin cuts. Alright. These ones, Easy Lock cutting. Guess this is just a regular wheel. So we got 4 of those. 1, 2. Okay, so 4 regular metal cutting wheels. Then we have 3 thin metal cutting wheels. We have 3 plastic cutting wheels. So this should be fairly simple. Let's take the collet with the Easy Lock. What you do here is you push down. It's spring loaded, and you focusing. There we go, spring loaded. So you attach the wheel to it. So I want to try the thin one. So you push down, you line up the bat signal looking thing. Alright, get that in there, turn it to locks. Just like that. Right, so I have the Dremel 4300 with the flex shaft all ready to go. Let's put that right in there. Tighten that up. Okay, so for metal cutting, let me give you the exact. So they say the thin cutting wheel maximum operating speed is 35,000. Alright, so I'll leave it at just below the max on my Dremel 4300. So this will be the EZ728 thin cut wheels. And you guys remember this engraving I just did, 2022. So this has a little bit of a sharp edge on it. I want to see if I can cut that straight with this cutting wheel. Get the dust mask. I got the Base Camp M+. These are pretty good. If you want to get one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description, or you can check out my Amazon store. And all the goodies will be there too. And I'll probably add this in it too. Alright, so let me get some pliers or needle nose pliers so I can hold this. Mask up. Safety glasses. Got these guys. 3M. Let's go. So sparks flying on that, so look at that nice cut. Did a real nice job. So if you're trying to cut some metal rods or some all thread, these little cutting wheels will be perfect. Obviously you should probably use the thicker ones for bolts. So this could be in handy if that's what you're looking to buy these cutting wheels for. And again, they are easy lock, so they can pop on and off fairly easy. Be careful, they do get hot. Alright, so now let's try the PVC one, and then we'll end this video. So again, push down. Alright, so this is the thin ones. Alright, another 1.5 wheel for plastic. Just like that. And I have this little corner bead that's PVC. So let's just cut off a little bit with that. And this would be the EZ728 and recommend 35,000. All right, so let's get to this one. Well, this thing cuts plastic like butter. So this is going to be a really quick, easy cutting wheel that can be very useful. Alright. So hopefully this video helped. If you're looking to get a nice little kit of cutting wheels for metal and plastic. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell to know when my future videos come out. And I know I haven't been putting out too many videos, so that notification bell will help you know when my videos come out. Alrighty, hope everyone's good. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Bye bye.